Back now, and now we're gonna add the agar. First I'm gonna turn on the oven, go to the stove, and there. Now we're gonna add in the agar to the juice. It's 2 teaspoons of the agar. Agar is a gelatin replacement, a vegan gelatin replacement. It can be used as a thickener also, as we found out last time. I tried this, and it never actually did that before, but it does. If you don't have enough liquid, too much liquid, it does work as a gelatin also. So I'm gonna have to stir this constantly until it comes to a boil, and then we're gonna add in some sugar and just wait till that disintegrates. We're gonna wait about 2 minutes past that, and then I can pour it into the molds. And also, while I'm at it, so I now have a new website, and the website is veganandlowproteincooking.com, and it has all of the other places that you can find me, like my TikTok, which is JoannaBall1, my Instagram, which is Sedative Cash, taken off of an MSN tag that I used to have. I'm also on Twitter under Josie1971, JOSEY 1971. And then Facebook under Joanna Ball, JOANNABALL is my last name. And so that covers that. And then also, while I'm waiting on this, there is, if you have a YouTube channel, you track your stats. There is a program called vidIQ, and they can help you with things like daily ideas for videos. They can help you with coaching, and if you have one of the higher plans, they are free, which I did try them out that way at first. But you can go onto their site and sign up for a paid plan also. And if you follow the link, I would get a little bit of a commission off of it. It doesn't really add up to much, but it is something. And the link you would go to is, and I can leave this in the comments also, along with the website, it is vidiq.com/rare, RARE -chef, CHEF. And then so this hasn't quite gotten to the boil yet, but if you like these videos, please let me know, so I can because if you don't like them, let me know what I'm doing wrong. Now we're at the point where I can add in the sugar. So I'm going to let this dissolve, and then we're going to cook it a little bit past that. Right now I'm going to turn down the heat to about half heat. This goes up to 1600 is the high. And I'm not sure whether that's Fahrenheit or Celsius, but because it doesn't tell me, but I'm guessing Fahrenheit. There. So I'm going to go for another couple minutes, and because it's pretty well dissolved. And then I'm going to take these guys over here. And I found this easiest just to pour it in because the eyedroppers didn't work as well as I thought they would. But these straight ones turn out to be pretty big. So I'm gonna do some cleanup here on I thank you for your time.